Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2021 Polaris 850 KHAOS, factory edition with only 741 miles, runs well. It's been upgraded with a B&M Fabrications front bumper, backwoods BMP rear bumper, Pro Taper SC handlebars, and a DuraPro magnetic tether. Powered by an 840cc two-cylinder engine, the RMK blazes trails with confidence and control, making it a dynamic snowmobile option. It weighs in at 420 pounds and has a 155-inch track length and offers underseat storage. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.